Hello everyone, welcome to Novio's Kitchen.
I'm Victor.
And I'm Al. Today we're making shrimp cakes. Tortas de camarón seco con nopales and chile colorado.
This is a dish made up of small patties made with dried shrimp and whipped eggs, strips of cactus paddle, and a red sauce of dried red chilies along with tomatoes, garlic, and other spices. Let's get cooking.
To make this dish, you will need 80 grams of dried shrimp, 3 eggs, 3 tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, a pinch of oregano, a pinch of cumin, a small bunch of cilantro, half of an onion, 2 chile de árbol, 5 guajillo chiles, and 500 grams of nopales. Let's make the nopales first. Add the nopales into some boiling water, along with a piece of onion, cilantros, and a pinch of salt. Cook for 30 minutes until tender. Once it's done, drain the water and remove the cilantro and onion. We will only keep the nopales for later. Next, let's make the chile colorado. Let's remove the stem and seeds of the guajillo chiles first. Just like this. Then, let's add the tomatoes, guajillo chiles, and chile de árbol to the boiling water and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's add the chiles, tomatoes, and the water we cooked those into the blender. We also added 1 additional cup of water. We will blend them with garlic, oregano, cumin, and a small piece of onion until smooth. You can also add salt, pepper, and chicken bouillon to taste here. Let's put it aside for later. Now the shrimp cakes. Turn the stove to medium-high heat and toast the dried shrimp to bring out the flavor and draw out the moisture. Keep moving them around so they don't burn. When the shrimps are toasted, let's grind them into a fine powder. Then, let's crack open the eggs and separate the whites and yolks. We will then use a hand mixer to whisk the egg whites until they're fluffy and airy. Next, let's slowly incorporate the yolks one by one. Then, we will gently fold in the powdered shrimp. You should end up with a slightly thicker but still airy mixture. Now, let's heat up some oil in a pan with medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, spoon the mixture into the hot oil to form small patties. Well, this one doesn't look great, but you know, the first pancake is always a mess. Let's try again. Now we are talking. Let's fry both sides till they're golden. Now, let's put everything together. Pour the sauce in the blender to a pot to heat it up. Then, let's add some fresh cilantro, nopales, and the shrimp patties to the sauce. Let it cook a few minutes so the shrimp cakes can absorb all the sauce and flavor. And we're ready!
The patties are fluffy and have absorbed the yummy sauce. The shrimp flavor also comes through and the tart nopales have a slight crunch which goes really well with the other textures. So good! Thank you for watching! If you try this out, let us know in the comments below.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss out on our next video.
Until next time, happy cooking!